Do you want to know how you can remove songs from your playlist? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete the songs from your playlist. Go ahead and open soundcloud.com, log into your account, go to your profile, and then what you need to do is go to your playlist. Now to delete songs, you can see that it's not available here, so go to edit and then go to tracks. You can see the cross button over here. If you click on it, you can see that the songs will be deleted. So you can see this cross mark removes track from your playlist. So after you do that, go ahead and click save changes, or if you don't want to do it, just press cancel. You can see that all of the tracks has not been deleted. So let me show it to you once again. Go to edit, go to tracks and click on the cross button and then click save changes. This way you can delete your tracks or songs from your playlist. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.